Hey, it's another weekend update of what's on the workbench. This weekend we have some Data East Batman ramps. I need to run a few more of these, but I actually ran out of material this week. So I have more coming next week, but for now, this will get me by. As you can see here, we also have a bunch of last action here at Tar Pit ramps. I think this is like the second and third batch. I'm probably going to do a couple more so I don't have to make these again for a long time because they're kind of a pain. With the blue material, I think it's like the only thing I run in the dark blue now, so I want to run all that at one time if I can. Hopefully run like a year's worth. So those are available in the store now if you need one. They should be plentiful for the time being. And we head on over here. We got a few more Cue Ball Wizard Center trays, same as last week. And behind them we have Rivet kits. I'm running out of Rivet kits, so getting another batch of those going, getting those packed up right now. They're becoming more and more popular, so I'm coming up with some better ways to package these up a little faster so they aren't quite a time suck, and that's going pretty well. So I think I have a couple in stock right now. You can expect to see more in beginning of the week. Over here, that's the beginning of some Fishtails ramps. They're kind of filling with another job. Those will be green ones. I don't sell the clear ones. If you want a clear one, you got to get the Starship Fantasy version. But I sell them in blue and green. For the people that actually are watching this, I can tell you that they were probably going to be on sale in about a week. So I have a pretty good stock right now, but this is another one. I want to run a whole bunch at a time when I do them, so I start stocking up on raw ones and run a whole bunch off, and hopefully I only have to do that once or twice a year. So see more of those coming up shortly. We got a few more Monte Carlo ramps. Again, more fill-in from last week. And then over here we got some red Hollywood Heat ramps. Red was the original Hollywood Heat color. This ramp was not my first ramp. It was maybe like my third or fourth ramp, but it really helped grow Ramp-O-Matic in the beginning. This ramp isn't typically broken in the games a lot, but adding colors, so I make these in pink, teal, purple, clear, and then the original red. Having these in colors really helped take off originally. I sold a few hundred of them, I think, because it really makes the game look so much better. Red was kind of like a head scratcher, but I'm guessing it's kind of like the only color they had available back then. Maybe they had a bunch left over from something else, from who knows. But I think the game looks awesome in one of the colored ramps. And they all sell pretty well evenly. It's more subjective than anything else. So that's a little bit of history of the Ramp-O-Matic. In fact, one of my logos is actually the little ramp rabbit guy holding that ramp up, because that helped fund the next several ramps and keep me going initially. So a lot of history there. And then the last ramp I have here is Phantom of the Opera, the back ramp. I have just a couple of these that I need to get done to fill orders, and then I'm going to do a bigger run here in another week or two when I get more material. It's just one of those I had 4 sheets left and I needed 4 ramps, so here we are. We're going to do a quick run and hopefully get some more done before the holidays. So stay tuned. I think I'm going to be running a bunch more stuff in the next week or so. And if you haven't checked out my YouTube channel more in depth, I have some parallel videos on things I've made for my shop. I've been working on some of those the last week or so as well, and you'll expect to see more of those going forward. If you have a little shop at home, you might find some useful tips there. So, all right, that about wraps this one up. We'll see you guys again next week, and again, you can check it out on Ramp-O-Matic.com is where my store is. So, all right, we'll see you next week.